Hi guys, my name is Hemi, and today we'll be going over Walk first grade worksheet second number 4. So today we'll be learning about finding the sums and differences using the number line if we need help. And always don't forget your date. So let's get started. So number 1, 4 plus 3. So this is an example of addition, so therefore we're going to need to find the sum. So we will do 4 plus 3. We start 4 right here, and we're going to add 3. When you're adding something, you're going to go to the right. So we have 3. So 1, 2, 3. You're going to arrive at 7. So your final answer would be 7. Number 2, 6 plus 2. Again, this is another addition problem. So we start at 6. And then we add 2 from there. So we go 1, 2, which you end up with 8. So 8 is your sum. Let's try a subtraction problem. So number 4, 8 minus 3. So we are going to need to find the difference. So 8, we start over at 8. And then from there, we are going to subtract 3. So we will go left. So we go 1, 2, 3. You would arrive at 5. So your difference is 5. Just like that. And then number 10, 6 plus 2, but it's formatted vertically. So we would need to do the same thing. And if you don't need help from the number line, you can just do it with your head or use your fingers. 6 plus 2, if you add 2 fingers, you get 8 fingers left. So 8 will be your answer. 7 minus 2, you subtract 2 from 7, so then it goes 6 and then 5. So 7 minus 2 equals 5. That 5 will be your difference. 17, 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, you would move on the number line from 5 over here. You go 1, 2, 3. You arrive at 8. 8 will be your answer. We're writing a number sentence about the pictures. So we are going to count how many flowers are in here and then add it up and create a number sentence. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers. So we have 4 over here, and then the plus goes to plus, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 4 plus 5 equals, we can count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 5 is 9. Same for the sunflowers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus 1, 2, 2. Count everything in total. From 8, we have 9 and then 10. So your final answer is 10. Lastly, for these tulips, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. How do we know that? You can just memorize the factors, or you could just memorize like the numbers that result in sums, or you could just count it up. From 4 we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's good to memorize the groups. So find the sum and differences for each fact family. It uses the numbers 3, 5, and 8. So we know that 3 plus 5 will equal 8. Then, if we switch the order to 5 plus 3, it will also equal 8. And if we minus, so 8 is a sum, right? But if you minus from the sum, any number, it doesn't matter which one, it will result in the other number. So, find the sum and differences for each fact family. So, 4 plus 3 equals 7, which you can use your fingers. 3 plus 4 is also 7. They just switch the order, so nothing will be changed. 7 minus 4, however, we take away 7 from 4. We take away 4 from 7. So if you use your fingers to count, you will be left with 3, right? And for the opposite of this, you'll be left with 4. Why? Because you know the fact family for it, and 3 plus 4, and if you switch that number, it will still result in 7. 7 minus whatever number, it will still result in the other number that wasn't used in the equation. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is also 4. The reason why they only have 2 for this one is because 4 and 4 are the same numbers. So let's try number 5. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 equals 8, right? And then when we have 1 plus 7, it also equals 8 because you're switching the order. 8 minus 7 is the other number, which is 1. And 8 minus 1 is also gonna be 7 because we know the fact family for the numbers. And for 0, it doesn't really matter because you're not adding anything, so this will be 8. 8 minus 8 is also 0, so it doesn't really matter. So you see how like the same 3 numbers are being used and they result in like some of the same numbers when you're adding the 2 different numbers, switching the order, and then it will result in 2 different numbers when you're subtracting from the sum. Subtraction facts 9 and 10. Write a number sentence about the pictures. So right here we have 4 and then 6, so 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 turtles. But then 6 all ran away. So 10 minus 6, so these are all gone now. We have 4 remaining. Why? Because we can count it, or we can just memorize the fact family. So write a number sentence about the pictures. So number 1, we had 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had 9 in the beginning, but 1, 2, 3, 4 turtles left. So 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 equals 5. And how do we know that? We know that because we can count what's remaining, but we can also know that these are just already separate groups. So we don't need to like do all the counting in our head with the fingers, but we just know because the only 3 numbers that were used in the equation while building this sentence is the whole and then the 2 numbers. So if we try number 3, we have 3 over here and then 6 over here, so we know that 3 and 6 will be using, and then 3 plus 6 is 9. So in the beginning we had 9 turtles, but then 6 went away, so 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is gonna be 3 because we only see 3 over here. Very, very simple. Let's try our last one. We have 3 over here again, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 over here. So we know that 3 and 7 are going to be using. And if we add 3 plus 7, it will be 10. So 10 minus, how many 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 minus 7 equals 3. So that's how you guys will arrive at your answer.